Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute English A to Z, where we talk all about everything in easy English from A to Z. 5 Minute English. I'm your host, Trish.
And I'm Shelley. In this podcast, we have natural conversations in easy English to help you learn.
You can find a video version of this podcast on our YouTube channel and on our website. Both links will be available in the description box. Shelley, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
It is 2026, right?
It is. Yeah.
How many times have you said 2025 or written 2025?
I don't think I've said it, but I have definitely written it. Yeah, definitely.
I've done both. Yep. Guilty. I am guilty of doing both. It's going to take me a minute to get used to it. It always does.
It always does, yeah.
Every single year. So what I want to talk about today is everyone's favorite New Year's topic. And that is New Year's resolutions.
Ooh, okay.
Right.
Okay.
So did you make a New Year's resolution? Wait, first of all, what is a New Year's resolution?
I guess it's like a goal or something that you want to achieve during the year.
Exactly. So it's a goal that you set that you try to achieve during the year. Most people give up or forget, like I always said my goal is to lose weight, or my New Year's resolution is to lose weight, stuff like that. And then I just forget about it. Did you set Did you set a New Year's resolution this year?
Not specifically, but I guess I made a reading goal about reading books.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's kind of like a New Year's resolution.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah. So you want to read so many books this year?
Yeah. So many books.
How many? So many. So many. How many?
So my goal is 50, but maybe my true goal is 100.
Wait, why is it different?
Because realistically, I can read 50, but last year I read 103 books. So that means maybe I can do that again.
Wait, how many weeks are in the year, dude?
52.
So you read more books than there are weeks in the year?
I did.
Dadgum, well done. Like smart people books or like?
That depends on your definition of smart people.
Okay, that's fair. So I guess you could say your New Year's resolution then is to read a lot of books.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. All right. Well, okay. Shin and I did kind of talk about what we wanted to do for, New Year's resolutions. And we decided that we're going to try to be healthy this year. So far, what day is it today? Today, as of filming, it is January 15th, and I am failing miserably at my New Year's resolution. So if the goal is to be healthy, so that means like eat right, exercise. I have not exercised once, and I'm staring at an open bag of candy.
Oh dear.
So I think that means I've failed spectacularly so far.
Well, I'm doing okay. I'm doing good. I'm onto my 6th book.
The year started 2 weeks ago, dude.
Yeah, exactly. Onto my 6th book.
Wait, how many pages are the books you read?
300-ish.
All right. Well, you clearly are excelling in your New Year's resolution goal. I am not. Right. As I stare at the bag of candy. Do y'all know what these are? Do y'all know what these are?
Oh, that's candy corn, isn't it?
Oh, it's candy corn. It is. I got a package from home yesterday, and it was filled to the brim with my favorite snacks. So my resolution might have to be on pause until
I think you better pause it. Yeah, that seems reasonable.
Pause it for a little bit. Yeah. So how about you guys? Do you set a New Year's resolution? Do you have a goal this year that you would like to accomplish? Please leave us a comment or send us a message and let us know. We would absolutely love to hear from you. And that is going to be all from us today. If you enjoyed today's podcast, don't forget to give us a like, a subscribe, download, share, do the whole thing so that you never miss another episode in the future. And we hope to see you again next time.
Bye bye.